The Indus system of rivers comprises of main stream of Indus River along with its 5 left bank tributaries, namely the Ravi, the Beas, the Satluj, the Jhelum and the Chenab, and the right bank tributary, namely the Kabul, which does not flow through India. The Ravi, the Beas and the Satluj are together called as eastern rivers, while the Chenab, Jhelum and the Indus main are called as western rivers. The Indus Water Treaty was signed between India and Pakistan on 19 September 1960 in Karachi. The treaty contains a preamble, 12 articles and 8 detailed annexures. The treaty provides India an absolute control of all the waters of eastern rivers, while Pakistan shall receive for unrestricted use all those waters of the western rivers which India is under obligation to let flow beyond the permitted uses. India is permitted to use the waters of western rivers for domestic use, non-consumptive use, agricultural use, generation of hydroelectronic power. India is also permitted to construct storage of water on western rivers up to 3.6 million acre-feet for various purposes. Both India and Pakistan undertook to establish a permanent post of Commissioner for Indus Waters. The two commissioners constitute the Permanent Indus Commission unless either government should decide to take up any particular issue directly with the other government. Each commissioner will be the representative of his government for all matters arising out of this treaty. The purpose and the function of the Commission are establish and promote cooperative arrangements for the treaty implementation, furnishing or exchange of information or data provided for in the treaty, and promote cooperation between the parties in the development of the waters of the Indus system. Examine and resolve by agreement any question that may arise between the parties concerning interpretation or implementation of the treaty. The Commission is required to meet regularly at least once a year, alternately in India and Pakistan, and also when requested by either Commissioner. The Commission is also required to undertake tours of inspection of the rivers and works for ascertaining the facts connected with various developments and works on the rivers. To enable Pakistan to satisfy itself that India's planned projects are within the treaty provisions, India is required to communicate to Pakistan in writing their information specified in the treaty. Pakistan can raise objection within 3 months of the receipt, which are then resolved under Article 9. Article 9 of the treaty deals with the settlement of differences and disputes. If the Commission is unable to resolve a specific problem, provisions have been made to reference to a neutral expert under Annexure E and a Court of Arbitration Annexure G. Article 12 provides for the provision of the treaty to continue in force until terminated by a duly rectified treaty between the two governments.